For number 38, one concept that we need to understand is what does it mean when it says parallel and perpendicular? And it's really simple. Okay, so when two lines are parallel, I'm going to draw you a diagram. It's kind of, kind of obvious. They're going to look like this. And essentially what that means is that their slopes are the same. So the slope of this line and the slope of this line will be equal. Okay? So the other one is perpendicular, and I'll draw you a graph here. Perpendicular just means that maybe you'll have something looking like this. Alright? So a perpendicular slope, say that, for instance, the slope of this line is 2/3. So to get the slope of the perpendicular line, you would do the negative reciprocal. And what that means is you take 2/3 and you flip it. So it's that, and you put a negative sign. So that would be the slope of the perpendicular line. So this is important to remember. I'll leave it up. M are same. The slopes are the same. Okay? So we're going to do some work over here. The equation is y plus 8x equals 4. And they give you a line of 3, 4. Okay? So they want us to put it in slope-intercept form. The first thing you need to think about is, for slope-intercept form, we need to know the m and we need to know the b. We need to know the slope and we need to know the y-intercept. So for this equation, how do we find slope? We have to put it in this form so we can clearly identify what is the slope. So to solve for y, we get y equals negative 8x plus 4. Just move this 8x to the other side. So now you clearly can see the number in front of x is your slope. So you got m equals negative 8. Okay? So they want us to put it in point slope form. No. Slope intercept. My bad. So they give us one point that's on the graph. To get it into slope intercept form, we must use this point slope equation. Okay? So just think, whenever it wants you to put something in slope intercept form, you must first start with this. That's all it's saying. So let's start. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So our x1 is here, y1 is here. So we're just going to plug numbers in. Okay? So you're going to get y minus 4 equals, we found our slope here, negative 8 times x minus 3. Now, to get in slope-intercept form, like the directions say, we just solve for y. Okay? So the first thing we do, distribute negative 8. Y minus 4 equals, distribute to both sides, negative 8x. Negative 8 times negative 3 is 24. Alright. So now we must get y by itself. Just add 4 to each side. Y equals negative 8x plus 24 plus 4 is 28. And that is your answer in slope-intercept form.